Hello YouTube, Dylan here with another drawing tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to draw the techno genius of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Donatello. So get a nice pencil, get a good piece of paper, let's begin. So the first thing we need to put in is sort of a squashed kind of circle shape for his head. And like I always say in my videos, draw a light and loose shape first. And then below this circle shape, there's going to be kind of a tall oval shape. That's going to be his body. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw circle shapes on both sides of the oval. These are going to indicate his shoulders. Then we're going to draw small little circles for the elbows, followed by sticks, and then do a similar thing with the hands as well. Just like that. And then do the same thing for the legs, sticks, and then raise this one up because if you notice, we're going to make him look like he's running a bit. One leg goes down here, one here. Then I'm going to put circles for his feet. Then we're going to put in the center line to know where the middle of his face is going to be, and a line across to know where his eyes will fall. And then right behind this circle, draw kind of a stick. That's going to indicate the bow staff he carries. All right, we got our basic shapes in. Now we need to draw in his eyes. He's wearing a mask, so we're going to draw these sort of half circles with long lines on the top, like this. Then we gotta get the top of the mask, which is gonna look like this. Then we gotta put these fold lines right at the top. Then right at the bottom, you're gonna draw a shallow and curved W shape that goes like this. Then we need to draw the top of his head. And his brow line. Now we need to get the bottom of his head. Which goes like this. And then we're gonna draw kind of a slight smile shape. Put with two little dimples on this side. Then draw a straight line at the top. So his mouth's open and we see his teeth. So that's his head. Now we need to get right into his mask, the tassels of his mask specifically. So we'll draw a straight line with an upward curve and a curved line here, followed by another curve here, put a fold line. Then right here, you're gonna make kind of an S shape, put another curve that follows that one, and another one here, and then draw a bit of a triangle on this side. And then right up here, you're gonna draw a shape like this, a curve there, There's the inside of that shape. Put a moon shape right here. And then make another triangle and another triangle. So that's the top of Donatello's mask. Now we need to get his body. And unlike Leonardo, he's not wearing a strap, so we'll just start with the shoulders, which one goes like this. The other is just gonna start at the top of his head here. And we can't forget the front shell. But before we get that, we need to draw his arms. Just like the other turtles, he has padding on his elbows. So we draw this curved kind of square shape on this side. And they have these 3 bumps. Here's the strap, a fold line. Here's his forearm. Here's the wrapping on his hand or wrist. Then his hand, if you remember, just like the other turtles, he has 2 fingers. So we're going to draw 1 finger here that goes like this, and then another finger that's folded in. Technically, these turtles have 3 fingers, and this is his thumb. More like 2 fingers and a thumb. There's the fold right there. And now we need to get the rest of his front shell. We need to get the bottom of his body. Here we also need the tassels of his belt. Put a triangle right there. And kind of a square here. Here's the bottom of his belt. And then we need to get his other shoulder. And we need to get his shoulder pad on this side, except it's really more like a box, which goes like this. And it has the 3 bumps, of course. We're gonna get the strap on it. Here's his forearm. And those are his wrist wrappings. And try to have a pencil sharpener close by. Then we need to get his fist, his other hand, to be specific. And we're gonna have it look like he's holding an object. And we're gonna draw that object soon. Here's his other finger. Okay, now that we got his other hand, it's time to get on to the fun part, which is his bow staff. So we'll draw a series of straight lines. And try to make sure they're as symmetrical as the other sides. And then don't forget his shell on the back of his body. And then you can continue on with drawing the rest of his staff, which all goes like this. And we got to put the wrapping on the grip of his bow staff, which goes like this. Okay, so we got his bow staff. Now we got to draw his legs in order to finish it off. So we need to get the inside of this leg. Here's the other inside of the leg. And for the knee padding, we draw these square shapes. Make sure they're not, these are just guides. And make sure to indicate they have 3 bumps that all go like this. There's his thigh. Get his knee padding. And get his calves. And remember, just like all the other turtles, he's barefoot. So we're only gonna draw 2 toes once I have these calves in. And his calves sort of go like this. And his calves are almost stop sign shapes without a top. They go like this. Make sure to put the fold lines. Okay. Here's the folding on this arm or foot. Same shape as before. And here's the sole of his foot. And there you go. That's Donatello. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoyed following along. Be sure to like, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.